Welcome to one of the comprehensive ever course on financial management, relevant for anyone aspiring to understand financial management and useful for students pursuing professional courses like CA, CMA, CS, CFA, ACCA. This is a course with 500 plus lectures explaining each and every concept in financial management, followed by solved case studies, conversational style articles explaining the concepts. You will get handouts, then download, quizzes, assignments, everything. Okay, so who should take this course? Are you struggling in understanding financial management concepts like time value of money, ratio analysis, cash flow, fund flow analysis, cost of capital, capital structuring decisions, capital budgeting and working capital management? Are you a student pursuing professional course like CA, CMA, CS, CFA, CPA, ACCA, CIMA, MBA? Or are you a finance executive or professional or a banker aspiring to excel in finance and to rise to top in your career? Then this course is for you, Financial Management, a complete study. Why you should take this course? By taking this course, you will be able to see the practical side of financial management concepts with a lot many case studies to solve. Approaching complex topics through case studies is the best way to understand them, and you will find many in this course. Knowledge on financial management is important for every entrepreneur and finance managers. Ignorance in financial management can be disastrous because it would invite serious trouble for the very functioning of the organization itself. What you will learn by taking this course? This is a comprehensive course covering each and every topic in detail. In this course, you will learn the financial management basic concepts, theories and techniques which deals with conceptual framework. You will be exposed to important topics. Let me list them one by one. Number one, or item A, Introduction to Financial Management. This will cover the role of CFO, difference between financial management, accounting and other disciplines, then financial management functions, importance of financial management. Item B, Time value of money. That will be covered. Item C, Financial analysis through ratios. This will cover ratios for performance evaluation, financial health, then application of ratio analysis in decision making. Item D, Financial analysis through cash flow statement. Here, cash flow statement, indirect method, direct method, how to prepare, how to analyze, everything will be covered. Item E, Financial analysis through fund flow statement. Item F, Cost of capital of business. Here will deal with weighted average cost of capital and marginal cost of capital. Item G, Capital structuring decisions. We'll be talking about capital structuring patterns, designing optimum capital structure and capital structure theories. Item H, Leverage analysis. Here we'll learn about operating leverage, financial and combined leverage. Item I deals with various sources of finance. Item J, capital budgeting decisions, where we'll talk about payback period, accounting rate of return, net present value, internal rate of return, profitability index, discounted payback period and modified internal rate of return. Item K deals with working capital management, where you will understand working capital cycle, cash cost, budgetary control, inventory management, receivables management, payables management and treasury management. How this course is structured? This course is structured in self-paced learning style. Each and every section of this course is broken down as various micro lectures, and then they are substantiated with examples and case studies. Several real-world examples are used in this course through case studies. You will gain authority on each and every topic as I take you through lectures one by one. This course is presented in simple language like this with examples. And this course has video lectures with writings on blackboard, green board, notebook, then talking head like this. You would feel like you are attending a real class. What are the prerequisites for taking this course? You should have a basic knowledge of accounting. Then you would require good internet connection for interruption-free learning process. How this course will benefit you? At the end of the course, you will be able to solve all the concepts which I listed out. The case studies in financial management will help you to approach them at ease in real life scenario. This course will equip you for approaching the professional examinations which I listed with confidence, and you can also handle real world problems with utmost clarity.